Class Book, Listening 44. In my house. Listen. What's Tilly's favourite toy?
Hello, I'm Tilly. This is my house. And this is my bedroom. Can you see my name on the wall? This is my toy box. It's red, blue and green. Can you see my toys? I've got 2 dolls, a ball, a boat, and my favourite toy, a teddy bear.
Class Book, Listening 45. Listen and point.
I've got a knight, a doll, a cow, a tea set, a farm, a kitchen, a castle, and a doll's house.
Now listen.